In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7V, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Advanced Features. Now tap on one-handed mode. Use gray switcher at the top to activate it and pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, follow all of the instructions below your chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can also change side of it by clicking on this icon on the left or on the right. If you wish to, you can always scale it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. To go back to standard size screen, just click on blurry area. And to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!